Well, after the Kawasaki adventure yesterday, I need a win. So I had to jump on the Honda Shadow and see if I fix the front brake issue. So far it doesn't seem to be grabbing, but I haven't been on the road for very long. Chances are good or bad or indifferent. I don't know. I haven't really used the front brake a whole lot yet, so it's hard to say. But we're gonna try and stay close to home because I don't want to tow this bike home again. Well, that's right, I didn't tow it. I knocked off the front calipers and rode it home. So she's definitely running good. Whoops, I think oh yeah, I upshifted, okay. She's running good. So far so good. Not concerned yet. Rest assured I have a hammer and I have what I need in my backpack to knock off these calipers again if I would so need to do. I have not seen my missing bevel gear cover yet, and so far we're not slowing down in the front end. I mean, we do when I apply the brakes, but see if we can make it as far as we did yesterday. If it turns out, gotta shift into gear. If it turns out that this starts grabbing again, I don't know, I guess we'll just replace the lines, rebuild a caliper, maybe get a new caliper. We're gonna have to do something. I'm a little nervous every time I go anywhere. Oh wait, why are you gonna shut off on me? Better not shut off on me. Shadow, that's the one problem you haven't had. I don't think I'm grabbing. We're going kind of the same route we did yesterday with the Vulcan. So all I can say is, what am I, in 5th gear? I don't see an overdrive. Can't tell. I'm in overdrive. I can't tell if that light's on. Yeah, I guess it is. That's a bit much for this ride. 5th gear right now. As far as that missing cover that I blew off when the engine got hot, I checked compression on the bike and it seems like that Vulcan, I built pressure up in the lower engine, so I think it's definitely a transmission issue with it not shifting. And somehow I built up enough pressure inside that it blew that bevel gear cover off. Yes, I do know what it is now. Bevel gear, apparently. Alright, we're getting about to where I'd want to turn around anyway, so let's run this thing around. She sounds really, really quiet. Is this her idle? I guess this is her idle. Okay, good. Alright, now we're in 1st. Feels like we're in 1st. So we're gonna head back out. This is further than I got the first time. And I really don't think we're dragging. I don't feel like we're slowing down unnecessarily. I'm gonna have to run this a couple times before I trust taking it anywhere. But for the time being, she seems like a winner. I keep using the front brake just to check it. Oh, I just realized I never plugged in the light. Oh, that's great. Well, so far, so good. And like I said when I rode this bike before, it doesn't feel like it has a dead spot, so that's nice. Still keeping an eye out for my bevel gear cover. I doubt it's the whole way down here, but that's how I am. The whole bike could be trash, and I'm worried about finding a little piece of plastic that fell off. You know how happy it would make me to find it though? I don't know. She seems good. She seems to be rolling. Roll and release. At this point, I believe I would have noticed some problems by now. Maybe I'll do a little bit of short stopping. Front brake is still working, at the very least. Like I said, guys, I need a win. I need this thing to be functioning correctly. I do. There's been too many stressors lately. Still good? Maybe we'll keep going a little bit here. When you're messing with something, you got to remember to do your shifting and everything. Remember to turn your turn signal off and on. She still feels like she's coasting. She feels solid. Remember to shift. I mean, there's a good chance that that master cylinder I ordered it used from someone on eBay that was parting out a bike. There's a good chance that master was not working. It feels like this master works good. It was used off of one of my Nighthawk parts bikes. Can't tell. I feel like we might be slowing down a little bit. Better start heading back. Give it a good front brake a couple times. I don't like those little squeaks, but it might just be because it's glazed. That it's not the happiest. I'm gonna go around again. A little bit longer.